guys, if you would like to see how I got this super cute and pretty straight blowout, then keep watching to see how I got it and what tool I used to get it. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So if you are new, hey, thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm sorry that the first time you see me I'm looking like this. So yeah, as y'all can see, my curls are actually popping, and I can fix this up if I wanted to, but I'm going to do a blowout today, as you can see by the title. I haven't had a blowout since March, April, May, sometime like that, earlier this year. And that was also the last time that I clipped my ends. And with that being said, it's December and I haven't did it since then. I really need a trim, and I only really feel comfortable trimming my ends while my hair is either straight or blow dry. So I don't want to straighten it, but I am gonna blow dry it. And again, fun fact, I haven't straightened my hair since last December for my birthday. And speaking of my birthday, my birthday was 2 days ago, and on December 5th, today is December 7th, and yeah, I'm 21 now, y'all. The moral of this video is I'm doing a blowout. So I washed my hair about a week ago almost, and I let my deep conditioner sit in for like 2 days. Then Wednesday morning, which was my birthday, I rinsed it out and did a 1-product wash and go with this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. Yeah, it's just 1 product, so I just thoroughly put it all up in my hair and stuff. And with this product, you can use it for heat styled hair as well. So I think it's okay that this is the only product that I have in my hair, other than just a little bit of gel on my edges. But yeah, I'm not gonna rewash my hair. I'm gonna just do this, and hopefully everything is okay. I'm sorry this intro is so long, but. And for my blow dryer, I'm going to be using this new one that new to me. It's the CALISTA hair dryer, and this is actually what it looks like right here. But you can buy the attachments, or the attachments come with it, something like that. And I'm going to use this one. And if it doesn't work, I'll show y'all what I do if it doesn't work. But that's the plan. So yeah, I'm going to step away from the camera and separate my hair and do that. And when y'all see me again, I'll be getting ready to use that. So just hold on 1 second. So I just finished separating my hair. So this is the first part that I have. So to actually get started, I will be only I will be detangling with just a regular paddle brush, you know, just to get the tangles and stuff out. And if it's a little hard to detangle, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this, just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of this, just a tiny bit, literally, just literally a little bit, like that much. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I have to go in and use a wire tooth comb. I'm going to take some heat protectant and this anti-frizz serum. I'm going to take like a pump of that, and literally, y'all saw me do this in like my last video, like 2 squirts of this, literally, because I don't like the way that feels just on my hair. And just literally work it in to this section. And yeah, just work it in. All right, so yeah, now let's try this out. I'm gonna put on warm here. So I kind of like it. It's different. It's definitely different than what I'm used to. Cause I'm used to, you know, just using a regular blow dryer and doing it as I go. My hair is really long. As you can see, I do need my ends clipped, which is why I'm doing this. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's really hard for me to get this section right there. If you can tell, my hair is up. Still look curly at the roots there. So I'm gonna try to get that piece. But I like this. I like it. So as a whole, I think I like this. This is the brush I use when my hair is like blow dry and stuff, because I don't put products in it. So y'all gonna see me switching between a lot of different brushes. But yeah, I like this. I like it. It's interesting. I really like it. And it got this piece really straight, if you ask me. Like, really straight. I need my ends clipped really bad. Cut like that much off or so. I know, I like it. I like it. I like this. It's cute. I'm gonna go over it one more time just to see what happened. I like it, y'all. I really like it. I'm gonna try this top piece up here and see what happens with that. But it got it really straight. Usually it'd be like super like poofy straight, you know, but it's like really straight. So now I'm gonna just repeat the same to this part right here. That much, and just apply it to this section.
Okay, so now I'm gonna get some of this, just a pump, and 2 squirts of that, and just apply it to my hair.
Okay, you guys, I just wanted to let y'all know that this top section literally took me less than 5 minutes to blow dry. The clip is sped up, but it literally took me less than 5 minutes to blow dry. Unlike the back section, which did take me a bit longer because this was my first time trying this hair dryer, and you know, I was practicing, I was trying to get used to it. But once I got to this front half, it went by pretty fast. It really did, because it took me less than 5 minutes real time to get this top half completely blow dried.
Try something. There's not a part of the video that I shouldn't be doing. I want to try this brush. I think it'll work. Let's try this. This is how it's finished.
super long.
Okay, y'all, so I decided, to come back and to show y'all my hair when it was completely finished. And also I did want to say excuse me for this whole clip. I didn't focus the camera onto myself, so with me, moving around and doing stuff, the lighting kept going in and out. But you still get the gist of what's going on. So all you see me doing is using, the paddle brush part to just touch up all over, and then I use the little round brush part as well. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much how I use the CALISTA blow dryer to blow out my hair. The process, like I said earlier, didn't take really long at all. It was, very quick, very simple, very easy, and that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.